Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and in this video we are going to be talking about UniGetUI, which is formerly known as WinGetUI, and this has very pretty cool features. This is the package manager for all the package managers like Winget, Scoop, Chocolatey, and others, and also it is a very useful and a must-have application. First of all, the Microsoft Store is very broken. You can download lots of stuff, but it is never gets you all the updates. So that is where the UniGet UI comes into existence. The main feature of this app is that it can help you install lots of applications, and also it can also keep them up to date. Has the most basic functionality of this app is that it is open source, which means it is very free to use. You can keep all of your apps, debloat your PC, import and export packages, which means you can export your packages and import on another computer and install all of those apps that you regularly use. Anyway, those features are advanced, so you can need to check it yourself. In this video, I am only going to be showing about how you can install packages and update them, which is most what I use UniGet for. First of all, go to this page. I will provide the link in the description and you can download either one. This is just a change of the name. So I'm going with the first one, which is UniGet UI. Let's wait for the installer to download and get on with the installation process. Let's open up the installer and install for all users, which is the recommended one. Say yes to the prompt and click next, next, and check all these boxes which are pre-checked and hit install. Now let's wait for the installer to install the graphical user interface for all those Winget, Chocolatey, Scoop, and others packet managers, and hit finish. Keep in mind that you can use these package managers using PowerShell, but graphical user interface is very well optimized for those people who do not know what they are doing. Okay, so this is the first page, which is the software updates. This will check all the apps that I have installed, and I have already used this app and updated all my software, but still I'm going to show you how you can use them. So all your updates come here in the software updates. Here you can search for packages, which means you can download other apps. Here are all the apps that are pre-installed on my laptop, which I did by myself, and some came with the Windows. Very fun, right? Okay, so these are the sources of these apps, which some are from the locally installed, some come from other sources. This is the settings of this app. You choose which packet managers that you want to use, but I always keep all of them checked on, so you can update from all the sources. Here we need to check for updates. Let's see if there are updates available. No, we have downloaded the latest version and all the settings are right here. This is the user preference. Notifications, we never want notifications, so I always keep it off. Install and updates and other administrative privileges preferences. Okay, let's move on and let me show you how you can download packages. So this is the update section. You can click on this button. It will search for updates, kind of like the App Store for Windows. Microsoft Store does not give you updates, which I have noticed a lot of the time. For example, if you want to search for Google Chrome, this is not available on Microsoft Store. However, it will never update OBS Studio on Microsoft Store. I don't know why, but that's a problem. You can see we have Google Chrome right here, and now you can download Google Chrome right from WinGetUI. You do not have to browse other websites or deal with ads or things like that. You can just simply search your application right here, kind of like an app store for or Google Play Store for Windows. Okay, let's see. We need to download OBS Studio. If I download OBS Studio from Microsoft Store, it gives me an older version of OBS Studio and I have to update it manually again. But right from here, I get the latest and most up-to-date version of OBS Studio and also some other associated packages. But you have to keep in mind what you are looking for. Package ID is kind of the important step right from here. If you notice the package ID is from an official source, you can pretty much download from that. Okay, so what are we going to do now? Let's see, we need to search first. Let's say I am going to use Brave. Brave is also available on Microsoft Store, but that is not up to date. Something is wrong with Microsoft Store that you have to update all the apps that you have downloaded from Microsoft Store and update them later manually. But well, instead of Microsoft Store, I recommend using this one because it is up to date and it does not come with any bloatware. Actually, it helps you to uninstall bloatware as well. So let's see if we are going for searching Instagram. Instagram is kind of like closed source. You can download Instagram only from their Microsoft Store. Because this is some official stuff between Meta and Microsoft. So that is why some apps might not be available from there, but most of the apps that everyone or usually anyone uses on their PC is also available on this UniGetUI, either Chocolatey, Winget, or other package managers. Let me demonstrate how we are going to install Google Chrome for this. Simply search for Google Chrome. Here it gives you an option to install. This is the terminal version, which means you have to copy this everything and put it in terminal to install, but this is done automatically. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.